In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a video in Vimeo. Start by opening Vimeo in your web browser and heading to your library. Choose the video you want to work on and open it so you're looking at the videos page. On the left-hand toolbar, click Editing, then select Video Editor. This opens the workspace where you can make visual changes to your video without leaving Vimeo. Next, look to the left toolbar and click Text. Here you can either click Add Text for a simple blank text box or pick a preset style like title, headline, subheadline, or caption. These presets are helpful starting points. A title is great for an opening card or a bold statement. A headline draws attention mid-scene. A subheadline supports a main title with smaller emphasis, and a caption works well for brief explanations or identifiers. Once your text appears on the video, it's fully editable. Click inside the box to replace the placeholder text with your own words. Use the formatting controls to adjust the font, size, weight, color, and alignment so the text matches your brand and remains easy to read. Drag the text box to reposition it and use the corner handles to resize. For clean composition, keep titles near the top or center and consider placing captions in the lower third. Leave comfortable margins from the edges so nothing gets cut off on different screens. If your footage varies in brightness, choose a text color that contrasts well or enable a background, shadow, or outline if available. This simple tweak can dramatically improve legibility. Keep your message concise and avoid cramming multiple ideas into one line of text. To control timing, select the text layer in the timeline and drag its ends to adjust when it appears and disappears. You can also slide the entire layer left or right to shift its placement in the sequence. Press play to preview, then pause and make fine adjustments to position, size, or timing until everything feels natural. Want a different look? Switch to another style in the text panel, or add another text element if you need a separate title and caption. Just be consistent in style and spacing so your video looks polished. When you're happy with the result, play back from the start to double-check spelling, alignment, and readability. Your edits typically save automatically, but look for a Save or Apply button and confirm changes before you exit the editor. And that's it. Your text is added, styled, and timed right inside Vimeo. Done.